Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to capture audio on the Cloud Capture app. Adding a voice recording is a valuable tool for practitioners, allowing them to make voice notes during consultations. These voice notes can be saved in the Cloud Capture app and uploaded to the patient's file on the GoodX web app for future reference. In this tutorial video, we will start on the Audio tab of the Cloud Capture screen. For more information on how to navigate this tab, please refer to the Cloud Capture Navigation and Use user manual linked in this video's description. To begin recording, click the Record Audio button. Cloud Capture will start recording, and once you're satisfied with your recording, click the Record Audio button again to stop. Once the recording has been stopped, additional options will appear on the screen. Click the play button to listen to your recording. To mute the audio, click the volume icon and a line will appear over the button indicating that the audio is now muted. Click on the kebab menu to access the option to download the clip directly to your device. To stop playback, click the stop button. Click the delete button to discard your recording. To upload the recording to your GoodX web portal, click on the Upload button. Alternatively, you will also have the option to upload the recording at a later time by clicking on the Upload Later button. A notification will appear stating that the audio has been saved for a later upload. For more information on uploading the recorded audio, please refer to the Upload from Cloud Capture to GoodX web user manual linked in this video's description.